Fear of heights is no longer part of my life. I've said goodbye to my phobia. Today is the first day that I stopped my fear of heights. I am a happier person now. I feel calmer every day. I'm not afraid of standing on surfaces above the ground. I draw on my family and friends for strength. I can overcome my fear of heights with their support. I embrace the positive energy around me, and I look for the joy in life to help me overcome my fear. I am in control of my fear of heights. I feel more relaxed now that I know I have the power inside me. I want to embrace adventure and new experiences. I won't be held back by a fear of heights. I have the strength and willpower to overcome my fear of heights. I believe in myself, and I feel happy with my life. I am in control of my own future. I can do anything I put my mind to. I deserve to live without a fear of heights. I like being able to have new experiences that I couldn't have had before I overcome my fear of heights. I am proud to be able to control my phobias. I do not suffer from a heights phobia. I trust the environment around me, including the high areas around me. I am a strong and confident person. I can control any phobia that I put my mind to. I choose not to be afraid of heights because I know it's holding me back. My friends and family are inspired by my ability to overcome my fear of heights. I love myself and I love my life. I feel lucky for every day I am able to have new experiences. I feel more in control of my future now that I've stopped being afraid of heights. I am at ease in any environment. A few deep breaths help me relax and feel at ease. Now that I've stopped fearing heights, I feel happier and calmer. I am not controlled by my fear of heights. I can take control of myself. Staying relaxed and letting go of my fear of heights makes me feel healthier. I feel better every day.